What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I'm Briggs and this is another property tour. As you can see, we are in Erie to check out this beautiful modern hangar home that's unlike anything you guys have seen on this channel. The stats on this house is 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and over 7,000 square feet of pure modern goodness. So real quick, before we start this tour, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe button to be a part of the Briggs team and to join my YouTube family. All right, guys, without further ado, let's step inside this beautiful home. Right this way. Nasser Development has designed and built this brand new luxurious hangar home with direct private access to the runway at Erie Municipal Airport. Now, this has got to be one of the most unique homes that we have seen on this channel. You have a metal slope roof design throughout the entire home. Essentially, we have 2 structures here. The left side is your single family home. The right side is your hangar/garage, and it's connected in the middle by this covered breezeway. Situated on a 2-acre lot, you have the space to build the backyard of your dreams. You can build a swimming pool with a spa, whatever you want to do is possible. Also, there is no HOA in this community. You have the convenience to taxi your single-engine aircraft right to the Erie runway and take off and land as you need. Now, the structure of this home is incredible. I love the sloped metal awning at the front entry that also serves as a canopy for when you pull up right to the front door in your circular driveway. Pretty cool. As we approach the home, we will enter through frosted glass panel doors. It does bring in natural light and add a bit of privacy as well. Now, when we walk right in, we're faced with this Texas limestone detail here on the wall. We have an option to go left to the main living area, or we have the option to go right, which will lead us into the garage and hangar. So let's not waste any time. Let's go straight into this hangar, right this way. Check out this hangar/garage, just incredible. This front portion has double garage doors and can serve as a 4-car garage, but as you can see, you can fit an aircraft back here as well. Now the back portion has an elevated roof and is designed for your formal hangar for your aircrafts. We have here 3 aircrafts that fit comfortably in this space. As you can see, there's plenty of room here. This space is insulated to the T, and you have your heating as well in the space. We have your steel beams and steel columns here for structural support. Now this hangar door is a marvel on its own. You have a bifolding door that raises up in about 55 seconds. And the cool thing is you can actually have remote access from inside your aircraft to open and close the hangar door. And if you're not an airplane enthusiast, this hangar garage can easily hold at least 16 cars without a problem. Now this hangar also has a half bathroom as well, in addition to everything you see here. Wow, what an incredible space. Now let's head back inside and check out single family home. breezeway has plenty of natural light from both sides here, as you can see, and it's got some pretty cool features as well. Let's take a look. First room we have off the breezeway is a laundry room. Nice sized laundry room here. Plenty of cabinets for storage, and we have a sink as well. And also a walk-in closet. Now as we transition through this breezeway, we have another area here. This would be a nice space for a home office, a den, a rec room. Your options are limitless here. We'll pass through the front door. And then to your left, we have one of two primary suites. Take a look. Beautiful primary suite here. Love this huge fireplace that's laced in Texas limestone. Plenty of contrasting colors and details throughout. Now check out this beautiful closet here. Nice window for natural light. Just a beautiful closet. Right across we have our spa bathroom. Gorgeous designs throughout. We have a quartz countertop here, undermount sinks, floating vanity design. We have a shower, dedicated shower, and then we have this freestanding tub as well. We have heated floors throughout every single bathroom of this home, which you guys will see in a bit. Beautiful shower enclosure area with rain head and also massage shower head as well. Now before we head into the family area, let's walk through this breezeway one more time in full motion to get a feel of its length. I will speed this up. All right, so this is the family area. As you can see, everything here is wide open. We walk into this 2-story great room here with this beautiful crystal chandelier. We have our Texas limestone clad fireplace that goes all the way up to the top. The backside, we have beautiful details here in the railing design and an overlook view of the second level. Just incredible. Take a look. Fireplace here has a steel mantle, steel details on the corners here. Then we have our powder room here with the floating vanity design as well, pendant lights. I can't overlook the 200-year Amish oak floors that were shipped in from Pennsylvania as well. I love the overall length and space in this home. It's just incredible. All right, now it is a bit different when you're doing an empty house tour, but hope you guys can still get a feel for what it's like to live in this home here. You have a dedicated wine cellar area here. Eating kitchen here is a great spot. We have 2 islands set up here. We have a traditional island, and then we have a peninsula that's off to the right. We have double Wolf ovens on the main island here. We have a dishwasher, and we have our Wolf microwave in here as well. As you can see, everything here is ultra clean and modern. We have our Wolf 6-burner range. Our peninsula has a second dishwasher and a butler sink here. hand-blown pendant lights, just clean and modern lines throughout. And then we have our built-in Sub-Zero fridge as well. It just brings it all together. We have a second access to our patio area here. And this can be a formal dining space as well. We have an incredible pantry as well. Everything's custom with this built-in cabinetry throughout, so you have a place for all of your belongings. We have our open riser staircase with metal railings that services all of the floors of this home. So let's head upstairs. Now the second level is beautiful as well. We have our tongue and groove woodwork design here on the ceilings, overlooking views of our main level. And then we have incredible details. If you notice, the railings here, the post railings here are shaped like airplane propellers. Just a cool detail. We have little homework areas here and these two nooks. And then this wing of the home, we have 2 bedrooms, all with bathroom en suites as well. So let's take a look. Plenty of natural light in this bedroom here, ceiling fan, your walk-in closet, and you have your bathroom ensuite as well. Now around the corner is the other bedroom. Let's check it out. We have a walk-in closet, built-in custom closet system in here, and then we have a walkway into the bedroom. Nice tall ceilings in here, plenty of natural light, your ceiling fan, and then we have bathroom ensuite as well. Beautiful design in here. We have our dedicated shower. And of course, we have heated floors in the bathroom as well. All right, guys, let's head over to the other wing of the home. Now as we approach this area here, we have a bar with a wine fridge, a microwave, a wet sink, and beautiful cabinetry. We have an upstairs laundry room in here, plenty of cabinet space and a sink in here as well. Then let's enter into our second primary bedroom. Check it out. You guys have to check out this private outdoor patio that's right out the bedroom. Take a look at these incredible views here. Man, incredible architecture designs throughout this entire space as well. Now let's head back inside and check out this spa bathroom. Standalone tub. You have a vanity area for makeup, getting ready. Then you have your double vanity, floating vanity, of course. Huge steam shower, rainfall head, built-in bench. Everything here is done perfectly. Also, Spire bathroom, we have this huge closet. I love these built-in closet systems, man. And there's tons of natural light in the closet as well. So let's head downstairs and check out the basement. Right this way. Gorgeous single spine staircase, man. This basement's a nice size as well. I mean, there's plenty of space in here. We have a huge recreational area here. We have a space for a wine room, you name it. It's dedicated areas for TVs, pool tables, rec rooms. You have a blank canvas to deck out your basement however you want to. We have this huge bar area here. I love this island with overhang for the bar stools. We have a microwave, we have a dishwasher, and we also have a full-size refrigerator as well. Now, we have an incredible bathroom that services as an ensuite bathroom and also services as the bathroom for the rec area. Steam shower, floating vanity design, and we have direct access into the 5th and final bedroom. Beautiful tray ceiling designs in here, ceiling fans, tall baseboards throughout the entire home. And then we have a pretty nice size walk-in closet in here as well. Take a look. What an incredible basement to cap off this incredible and unique property. Alright guys, so that does it for this tour of this beautiful hangar home in Erie. Thank you guys so much for taking the tour of this house with me. I do appreciate that. And also if you guys hit that like button and subscribe button, I'll appreciate that as well. I will be launching a new series of mansion tours on this channel, so you guys stay tuned for more properties like this on the channel. Alright, so that's my time for this video here. Got my aviators right here, and I'm gonna hop in one of those planes and fly off to my next property. So I'll see you guys on the next property tour. Peace.